This is a 3-pack of casino-themed disposable plastic tablecloths. I was sent a review from Hosuli. So let's take a closer look. 3 tablecloths are included. Each one is 108 by 51 inches in size, so they'll fit most standard size tables. They are not printed on the back, just on the front, but they are very vibrant and nice. They are quite thin, but if you're careful, they could be reusable, though they're marketed as disposable. Whether you're having a casino night fundraiser, a weekly poker night, Alice in Wonderland, or Descendants The Rise of Red themed birthday party, or just wanting something to throw down before messy arts and crafts time with your kids, here it is on my dining table. You'll see it fits it great, coming down long on the ends and just a little bit on the side, so it's easy to scoot your chair in there. I love how it has this stripe down the middle, so it's easy to center. That's also a great place to put centerpieces, or let's say this is a birthday party, you could do this for a gift table, put all the gifts there, a bunch of desserts, you name it. These will provide great decor, vibrant ambiance, and help protect your table from spills and messes.